The 2030 vision of the Steel Authority of India, of which Bokaro Steel plant is a subsidiary company, is to expand its steel manufacturing capacity to 50 million tons per annum from the current output of over 21 million tons. This massive expansion drive will also expand Bokaro's production capacity substantially from the current 4.7 million tons per annum. The importance of steel manufacturing cannot be overstated, as it has a direct impact on India's GDP, as well as the important mission of Atma Nirbharta and the mission of Make in India. The capacity expansion of SAIL will be in keeping with the company's vision to transform the steel manufacturing processes and engineering practices to make steel output more efficient in terms of production, as well as put in place more stringent environmental norms. In this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, we bring you an up-and-close look of the massive 8,000-acre Bokaro Steel plant in Jharkhand. Here our India Science team continues on an exclusive journey of how steel is extracted from iron ore and processed into a range of products, which in turn form the most important material used in every aspect of our lives. Importantly, steel is a product that can be recycled over and over again without loss of property, and with its unique magnetic quality can be recovered from waste materials. This and much more on Science for a Self-Reliant India, so keep watching.